In today, I'm going to show you time animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a normal texture here. We will write the text here as we wish. I wrote the time here. I have arranged the text here by straightening the element. Now here we will write another text which will mention the time. We will write 1 to 12 here. Next, we will select all of the text and magnify it. Once the text is organized, we will use the rectangle tool and we will provide it where the text may be seen. Then we will go to the effect control and to shape, where we will enable the mask with shape option and drag it across the text. Then we will return to effect control, close text, and then position and animate it. Here we will do keyframe animation. This method we will convert to the entire text into animation. It's finished now. If we play it, it will look like this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.